Welcome everyone, thank you so much for joining in. So today I'm actually going to start this analysis by looking at the price action of Bitcoin here in a weekly time frame, because right now if history is going to repeat one more time, then the price of Bitcoin is ready for another impulsive move that could actually bring us towards this top of the channel. And why? Because if you look at the previous Bitcoin price action, whenever the price of Bitcoin started this new impulsive move or this markup phase, I have actually talked about this scenario plenty of time in my videos. The reason why I'm actually bringing back one more time is because this similar scenario, just like in the past Bitcoin price action, whenever we started this impulsive move and this actual corrective move, another impulsive move, again corrective move, you can see guys, with each and every impulsive move and corrective move, the actual corrective move started only after price reaching the top of the channel, because you can see this bull market ended only after reaching the top of the channel here from 2017. And if you go back here from 2013, you can see this bull market ended only after reaching the top of the channel. Here from 2011, you can see pretty similar scenario. This bull market ended after reaching the top of the channel. And now if we look in our case, the top of the channel is still open, first of all, and second, with each and every impulsive move, you can see right before heading towards the top of the channel, we always had this movement, a smaller corrective move, price finding support at this 1.618, and then starting again this rally here to the upside. Similar scenario also unfolded here. If you look at the price action properly, this pullback ended exactly after reaching this 1.618 and then again started this rally here to the upside. Again here from 2017, you can see this really nice impulsive move, but within this impulsive move we also had this smaller corrective move, right? And this corrective move also found support exactly at this 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and after that you can see we started this trend here to the upside. So that's why if we look in our case, this similar scenario is also unfolding. I mean this price pullback, price finding support at this 1.618, just like here from 2017, you can see here from 2013 and also from 2011. So if this is going to continue and play just like here in the past Bitcoin price action, the price of Bitcoin is ready for another impulsive move that could bring us around the top of the channel. So that's why if this is going to play out just like here from the past Bitcoin price action, the top of the channel is where we might be heading right now, and only after that we could see an actual trend reversal playing out for Bitcoin. Because if you remember, according to this parabolic curve, if we monitor the price movement, you can see this price movement was following this parabolic curve, and I also included this Elliott impulsive wave, because according to this Elliott impulsive wave, you can see this one final move is still open. I mean this impulsive move which could bring us around this 0.5 area is still open, because according to this Elliott move, you can see this 0.2 and 0.4 are the corrective wave, but 1, 3 and 5 are the impulsive move. So that's why right now if this bigger impulsive move is going to play out, then according to this Elliott wave, the price of Bitcoin could be actually preparing itself for another movement, and only after reaching the top of the channel or the 0.5 area we are going to see this corrective move playing out for Bitcoin. So let's see if the price of Bitcoin does remains above this 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, because staying above this 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level has resulted to some very nice price movement for Bitcoin. And also if you look at this here in a daily time frame, you can see guys, and also guys, to claim this $1,200 Phemex bonus, you have to sign up using my ref link and deposit at least 1 Bitcoin. After your initial deposit, you will be credited this $1,200 bonus within 24 hours. You can actually leave your deposit there and only trade with this $1,200 bonus provided by Phemex. So this is a great opportunity, so why not to take advantage of it? So now let's switch on to our chart. So if we look at this in a daily time frame, you can see guys, we talked about this on my yesterday's video. We said the price of Bitcoin need 2 more confirmation, one here from this MACD and another one is the moving averages. The green line, which is a 20 exponential moving average, must be above the 50 exponential moving average, the red line, and MACD line must also be in a positive territory. RSI must be above 50 level, and this T T3 CCI indicator must also be in a positive territory. And now if we look at this MACD line, MACD is in a positive territory and also a bullish MACD cross. RSI is above 50 level and also the T3 CCI in a positive territory. So now the only confirmation what we need is from this moving averages. So we need this crossover at any cost. So if we are going to see this crossover and also confirmation, guys, don't expect the price to move here in this manner. What happens most of the time is we see some kind of pullback towards these moving averages and again starting the journey here to the upside. So right now what I'm actually expecting is some more of a shakeout type of scenario, price finding support around these moving averages and then again trying to hit here in an upper direction. So these are some of the scenarios I see here in a bigger time frame and also in a daily time frame. But if you look at this in a smaller time frame, you can see here. So if we look at this in a 4-hour time frame right now, you can see yesterday we said as long as the price of Bitcoin is following this rising trend line, we are absolutely fine with that, because even if we are going to see any sort of a pullback, this trend line here, the rising trend line, is not just only going to act as a support line, but it's also showing us a possible trend direction. But if we look at this area right now, what can we see, guys? If I switch this time frame into hourly time frame, we can see a lot of thing is happening around this area, because this price movement, you can see this fake out type of scenario what unfolded here after breaking out of this symmetrical triangle. The price showed this rally here to the upside and now we are seeing this pullback type of scenario. So in most of the cases, what usually happens after this breakout, price usually sees this pullback and again consolidation and trying to break here to the upside. Because if this is going to, let's say, actually play out as a pullback type of scenario, we could see the price of Bitcoin getting a pullback around this rising trend line, because this rising trend line is a very, very strong line of support and it's also showing us a possible trend direction. And if this is going to turn out in this way, I mean more of a consolidation, again trying to head here in upper direction, then we want the price of Bitcoin at any cost to break above this green line, and this green line is the monthly R1 line for Bitcoin, and this is sitting exactly around 41,385. So if the price of Bitcoin does manages to find proper support above this 41,385, then that is going to be another bullish scenario for Bitcoin, because in the past Bitcoin price action, finding support above this monthly resistance line, monthly R1 line, has led to a very, very bullish move, and also that is going to indicate the new CPR line. The new month CPR line is going to be an ascending CPR, and price, even if we are going to see pullback, these new CPR lines are going to act as a very, very important line of support for Bitcoin. So these are some of the scenarios I see right now looking at the price action of Bitcoin. If you enjoyed my work, then please hit the like button, and if you are watching this for the first time, guys, come on, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye, guys.